Hey everyone, Josh Martinez here, and welcome to this week's idea. So this week's idea is Nasdaq 100. We're still focusing on buying. We'll do a top-down analysis. So monthly time frame, we're in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows, all-time highs. Up Fibonacci, long-term target is 32541.25. So we're going to expect the market to rally an additional 12,000 ticks bullish. Now when we look at a daily time frame, we look at the daily time frame purely for wave movements, right? Higher highs and higher lows. And you can see the market's very, very aggressive bullish. And so currently this market does show an up Fibonacci. We do like Fibonacci's here. They work really, really well for us, and we find comfort in them. They're not guarantees, but they do give us a nice little structure to move forward. According to the daily time frame, we do have an up Fibonacci extension, price point 29938.25. That's going to be about 2,400 ticks above the market. When we break this down to a 1 hour time frame, the only reason why we go to smaller time frames is to try to find less risk. From the 1 hour time frame, we did just recently hit a Fibonacci extension, so it's very normal for the market to retrace anyways. We do have an up 1-2 boundary. The Fibonacci extension on the 1 hour is price point 30090.50. However, that is taller or bigger than the daily. So really you should be going after, or I can't tell you what to do, but according to the research, going after the daily Fibonacci extension of 29938.25 would be a little more of a conservative route. It may hit both because they're so close, but still, when it comes to Fibonacci, you always want to try to hit whatever's closer. All right, so if the risk is too large off of the 1 hour time frame, because the best place to put our stop will be below the one boundary, which is going to be 28191. If that risk is just too big, what you can do is go to like a 5-minute time frame, and as long as the market's inside of an uptrend, apply your favorite uptrend strategy. And wonder if you do that, try to look for smaller risks than what the 1 hour has to offer, but go after like that daily time frame target or the 1 hour target. All right, everyone, this concludes this week's idea. Remember, there is risk involved in trading. There are no such things as guarantees. Absolutes are 100%, so there's risk involved in every single trade. Past performance is not indicative of future returns, and what that means is there's no guarantees of a positive outcome. There's risk involved in every single trade. Understand that we are not money managers. We are not financial advisors. We are not CTAs, commodity trading advisors. We cannot dictate your trades. We do not provide customized investment advice. We don't trade for people. We are purely education. We're here to teach, educate. If you want to learn, we want to teach. And look at us like a newspaper. We'll share with you our research, walk you through our trade ideas. But ultimately, what you do with this information is completely up to you. Have a wonderful day, everyone. We'll see you next time.